Moment Trades! I wanted to do a video analysis update of the stock market. We see the S&P 500 is very close to reaching the 100% extension of 609. It reached my target of 600. When we look at the daily chart of SPY, I've talked about how from this low, this is a wave 1 and a wave 2. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low gives an equal legs target of 616 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. Wave 3 can go as high as 620. The 61.8% extension of the length of wave 1. It can go to 616 to 620 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, place at the wave 4 low. That's how we can see this wave 5 take the S&P 500 up to the danger zone of 632 before a pretty decent correction ensues. So that's the S&P 500. We are getting into a pretty hot zone where it's looking like there's going to be a melt up, and then after that we're going to be reminded that investing is not easy. A lot of people are thinking that investing is easy. We've got some altcoins that are just going up and away. Ripple wave 1, wave 2, another one 2, another wave 1 and another wave 2. Wave 3 of wave 3 has ensued for Ripple. It's almost to that target of 3. We see the time fibs right here working out beautifully. The beginning of wave 2 was where the correction started. I connected it to the end of wave 2. And then this 1, 2, 3 time fib is exactly where wave 3 begins. Really incredible work. We see a lot of these altcoins doing incredibly well. Chainlink from yesterday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. I was looking for, we see the equal X target has been reached for Chainlink. I talked about why I think it can still be going higher. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave A. From this high, ABC, wave 2, wave B. And then from this low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC, wave 2, wave 3 of wave 3 to 34 is in progress before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, place at the wave 4 low, we can see Chainlink go all the way up to the 40s. So it's on track for that right now. Avalanche looking very beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, another beautiful RSI. 1, 2, wave 3, highest high, shallow wave 4, and a wave 5 that ends with momentum divergence. Wave 1, wave A from this high, ABC, wave 2, wave B, and then wave 3 of wave C in progress, looking very good to the mid 70s before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1, placed at the wave 4 low, we can see Avalanche go all the way up to the 120s. It is currently at 50 right now. So another amazing call right from a thumbnail. Congratulations on following this channel. Let's talk about some stocks. Match Group has an interesting little impulse forming. Let's look at this from this low. It's either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, it looks like it's pretty clearly 5 waves. Looking at this RSI, this is the highest high within wave 3. There's the shallow wave 4 correction and the wave 5 that ends with momentum divergence. The invalidation is very clear. It is 27.66, a very useful invalidation. Looking at Match Group, like I said, it could be 1, 2, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Either way, it's 5 waves. It looks pretty clean. And then this is the A, B, C correction. So I'm looking for wave 1 to have ended, wave 2 to have ended, and wave 3 to be in progress for Match Group. This is the company that owns Tinder, by the way. I believe it owns Plenty of Fish as well. So this is Match Group. I'm looking for a wave 3 of wave 3. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low gives a minimum wave 3 target of 41 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Match Group can go up to 49.50 for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves impulse. So that's Match Group. Let's talk about a stock that reported earnings today. We're going to talk about Zscaler. It's down in after hours. We're going to talk about what the Elliott wave theorist is going to expect from this low. We see on this weekly chart right here for the 5 year time frame, Zscaler goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, wave B, and then from this low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2 ended. I'm looking for from this high, or from this low, a small wave 1 and a wave 2 began. That's going to give an invalidation of 179.63. I'm looking for Zscaler to hold 179.63. Continue on to wave 3 of wave 3. It's down in after hours, but I'm looking for it to go up to 328 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. Emerging markets ETF IEMG now has a covered call ETF EMCC from this low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 1, A, B, C wave 2, and then from this low another wave 1, A, B, C wave 2. I'm looking for wave 3 of wave 3 to begin. I suspect it is in progress, and IEMG is climbing the right side of the base. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3 of wave 3. I'm looking for IEMG to hold above 49.47. Enter wave 3, be within wave 3, go all the way up to 76 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. That's plenty of forecasting for now. Agribusiness ETF MOO, very interesting from this low 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves impulse. Wave 1, ABC wave 2. It's looking really like just trying to find the downside and validation level for this ETF full of the agribusiness stocks, the heavyweights in the agribusiness sector. This is very inflationary. By the way, the length of wave 1, wave A, placed at the wave 2, wave B low, says agribusiness is just going to have a surprise rally. There's going to be probably good reason or big reason that MOO goes from 72 to 133. This is something that is going to take over financial headlines for a very long time. Right now, the only downside in validation is 67.57, but that's really just a tight stop. We look at Boeing and Goodyear Tire. Goodyear Tire, it's like I said, it's going to be some very difficult stock picking, but from this low, 1, 2, 3, highest high in the RSI within wave 3, shallow wave 4, and a wave 5 that ends with momentum divergence. That's wave 1, wave A. This is wave A, B, C, wave 2, wave B. Right there at the 78.6% retracement, I am looking for this low of 7.27 to hold. A little tighter and more useful is 7.79, but I'm looking for Goodyear Tire to enter wave 3 of wave 3. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low can take Goodyear Tire all the way up to 27. It's currently at 11, and that's just the minimum wave 3 equal legs target. In a slightly similar vein, we've got Boeing right now. Boeing looks really pretty. I know this has taken a long time, but Boeing, they were buying the 160 strike strangle, the 160 strike straddle on Boeing. It looks pretty clear why. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, ABC wave 2. This is a very big all-time cycle. We look at very similar charts of Delta Airlines and United Airlines. We see almost the exact same chart. Boeing looks like it's the laggard from this low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, taking the form of a leading diagonal. And then from that high, ABC wave 2, from this low, a very clean subdivision. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up for wave 1. Wave 2 at the 78.6% retracement. I'm looking for wave 3 of wave 3 to be entered for Boeing. I think this is going to be a very pretty. It's a pretty wave count. I can't tell my broker it's a pretty wave count, but this is a pretty wave count from Boeing. Wave 1, wave 2 at the 78.6% fib above 137. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes Boeing into the upper 280s, above 278 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, we can see Boeing go like how I have it drawn up all the way up to 400. So it would make a lot of sense why they've made it difficult. This is where I get this 3 time fib from. Sorry, this 3 fib target from The 127.2% extension of the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low takes Boeing to 330 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher.